Jane Goodall, a name synonymous with chimpanzees, conservation, and a life devoted to understanding our closest animal relatives. Today, the world mourns. She has passed away at the age of 91. According to the institute she founded, Jane Goodall died of natural causes while on a speaking tour in California. At 91, her journey spanned continents, decades, and changed how humanity sees the natural world. From a young age in England, Jane harbored deep curiosity about animals. She often said she was born loving animals. At just 10 years old, reading Dr. Goodall and Tarzan shaped dreams that would later carry her to Africa. At 26, without formal training in primatology, she traveled to Tanzania's Gom Stream National Park to begin the work that would define her life. There, she challenged long-standing scientific dogma by documenting chimpanzees doing things once believed unique to humans, using tools, showing emotions, even forming social bonds. One of her most notable discoveries: chimpanzees make and use tools, a revelation that helped blur the gap between humans and other primates. Over time, Goodall became more than a researcher. She became a global voice for the environment. In 1977, she founded the Jane Goodall Institute, which continues to champion primate welfare, habitat protection, and sustainable practices worldwide. In 1991, she launched Roots and Shoots, a youth-driven program that empowers young people in nearly 100 countries to take action in their communities. Her honors span nations. She was named United Nations Messenger of Peace in 2002, received the title of Dame Commander in the UK, and was awarded the U.S. Presidential Medal of Freedom earlier this year. But beyond awards, her lasting impact lies in how she inspired generations, especially women in science, to challenge boundaries, ask bold questions, and believe in making a difference. Remarkably, Goodall remained active well into her 90s. Her speaking engagements, advocacy work, and presence in public life showed no signs of slowing. During her final speaking tour in the U.S. in California, she passed away of natural causes. The Institute confirmed her death, noting that her discoveries revolutionized science and that she was a tireless advocate for protection and restoration of our natural world. She leaves behind a legacy of curiosity, compassion, and a renewed call to care for the planet. As we reflect on Jane Goodall's life, a few themes stand out: humility, perseverance, and the power of observation. She showed us that listening to nature, to animals, to the earth can yield deep insights. Her passing is a moment of mourning, but also of inspiration. If there's one lesson from her work, it's that individual action matters. Whether planting trees, protecting habitat, or raising awareness, each of us can carry forward her mission. So today, we honor Dr. Jane Goodall, the person, the scientist, the activist, and recommit ourselves to the natural world she loved so fiercely. Thank you for watching. If Jane's story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's continue her legacy together.